CNC mill-turn machining is a machining process that combines both CNC milling and CNC turning functionalities. This can lead to creations of various shapes and geometries of different materials, including metals and plastics. First, a part is created. The CNC mill-turn centers starts work on the workpieces, which is a large block of materials. The initial process, which is CNC turning process, is done using various cutting tools to remove the materials from rotating workpieces. The end of this stage is shape the workpieces into the cylindrical parts. After the turning process, the workpieces moves past a rotation cutting tools, which also removes the materials from the workpieces. This is the milling stage. And the end is to create a flat and irregular surface. Mill-turn machines produce CNC turning milling parts with a high degree of precision, accuracy, and speed. Also, the machine is flexible and is used for several different shapes on a variety of materials. CNC mill-turn machining is getting more popular by the day in the manufacturing industries, like aerospace, medicals, and automotive companies. It can be better to meet the designs and manufacturing needs and have the design come to the life. Fortunately, at WayKen, we had the right professionals to help you get a high-quality mill-turn machine parts. We offer a full range of mill-turn service at affordable price and faster turnarounds. Just upload your CAD files and get the DFM feedback today.